Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this amazing mega webinar. Yes, today we are going to learn some amazing things on affiliate marketing, freelancing, blogging, and most importantly, how we can earn 1 lakh rupees per month. And once again, I welcome you to this mega webinar. Thank you so much for attending this mega webinar. And let's start today's event with some firecracks. Awesome, right? Let's do that. Right. So before going to start, I just want to talk to you. So people are saying hi Manoj, hi Chandrika, and hi Supriya, hi Abhinav, hi Arnav, sir Namaste DBA student, hi Saurav, hi Harika, hi Harika, and Vinod, hi Vinod, hi Pandyan bro, hi bro. As so I'm waiting for this webinar. Rituraj, thank you so much, Rituraj. Even I am very excited for this webinar. Let's rock it. And Sir Krishna, I'm your big fan. Thank you so much, Krishna. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Right? So without getting any delay, we'll start. But before that, I just want to ask you, like, from which place are you? From which city are you? Okay, so please type it in the comment box. I just want to see it. Okay, so Yuvasri from Hyderabad, even I'm from Hyderabad. Yatish Kumar Mumbai, Anvita Habli, Rohit Salem, Manoj Kabra Kerala, Chandrika Karnataka, Abhinav Madhya Pradesh, Sai Naveen West Bengal, Revati Gujarat, Rahul Orissa, Sayed Jammu, awesome guys. Thank you so much. Like now I could see that from all over India I have participants, and yes, we are 500 plus participants in the house. Thank you so much for this warm welcome, and I know you're very excited about this. At the same time, even I'm very excited about this webinar. Without getting any delay, let's jump into it. So this is my first question to you. Do you really want to change your lifestyle? Because I know you came here to earn some money or to get the job or to learn some new skills, etc. But money plays a key role to change your lifestyle, right? Yes or no? Because money is one of the key factors, right? So simple, yes or no? Please type it in the comment box. Like, do you really want to change your lifestyle? Please type yes or no in the comment box. Awesome. I could see many yeses. Thank you so much. I could see many yeses. Thank you so much. Thanks for your wonderful response. Right? So we'll begin with the next slide, because if you really want to change your lifestyle, then this is a webinar you have to watch till the end without skipping or without leaving in between. Okay? So this 2 hours, complete 2 hours, will change the way you think about life. The perspective of your life will be completely changed after this 2 hours of mega webinar, right? So before that, please, I want you to engage with me, okay? And I want your 2 minutes of time, because I just want to explain about me. Like, you want to know me, right? Many of you are attending my webinar for the first time. Like, you don't know me, you just saw my ad on YouTube or Google, wherever, I mean Facebook, wherever it might be. So you have watched it and you came to my mega webinar because you trusted on that factor. And now I want some more trust factor, because that is the reason I want to explain, like, who am I? Who is this guy? Is he capable of teaching us like affiliate marketing, freelancing, and blogging? So I need your 2 minutes of time. If I got your 2 minutes of time, then I can explain. Please give me your 2 minutes of time. Please type in the chat box 2 minutes, so that I'll be very happy and I'll proceed with that. Thank you so much. I could see many 2 minutes. Thank you so much. Right? So my name is Virender Chaudhary, and I popularly known as Hello Viru. If you go and search on Google or YouTube or wherever it might be, if you search HELLOVERU, you will find my complete profile, like who am I, what I am doing, from since how many years I'm into this business and all. Okay, so my name is Virender Chaudhary, popularly known as Hello Viru. Right? So I'm a digital marketer, ads expert, and sales trainer. I believe in paid ads. So I'm a guy who believes in paid ads, paid advertisements, paid traffics, etc. If I invest 1 rupee, I'll take 3 rupees back. This is what my fund is, my formula is, right? having 7+ years of experience in digital marketing and sales. So I'm a sales guy basically, and now I'm a digital marketer. So I am having 7+ years of experience in digital marketing and sales, right? So I started my career as a salesperson. Many of you know it. Like people who attended for the first time, you don't know it, but many of my students will know it, right? And I got rejected by 40+ companies. Yes, I got rejected by 40+ companies. And Rishabh, yes, we have an exclusive Q&A session at the end. Please wait till the end. So definitely we're going to have some awesome Q&A session, right? And yes, Naresh, this is live. Priyanka, yes, this is live. And hi, okay. So now I'm earning in lakhs per month. So it's not like just simply typing earning in lakhs per month. Definitely I'm going to show it to you, right? And started my career with 12,000 salary. Yes, this is my first salary as a salesperson. Later I shifted my career with digital marketing, and I know this digital marketing will have a huge scope near future. So that is the reason I shifted my career from sales to marketing background. Okay, started training people on digital marketing because I know the value of digital marketing. So in the same way, if I train people on digital marketing, they do know the value of digital marketing. They can start their own business or earning on their own. So that is the reason I started training people on digital marketing. I train more than 10k professionals till now, and I'm having 2 lakh plus people on my learning management system. More than 2 lakh people are learning my courses right now. Okay, so started my own digital marketing agency in 2016, and I conducted 25+ seminars across pan India. It includes Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Okay, so this is my profile, and I want to explain about me with one more slide. Okay, so this is my news coverage. So I featured on Times of India newspaper. Okay, so you can see it here on the left side. So this is my Times of India newspaper. Okay, and you can see it here, TV coverage. This is my local channel NTV. If people are from AP and Telangana, they know this channel, very popular news channel. So I featured on this news channel. They called me for digital marketing session, so I went on there. So I featured on NTV, and you can see the media coverage I covered on Forbes India. So I covered on Forbes India, Times of India, Deccan Chronicle, Hindustan Times, The Week, Live Mint, ZEE5, Business Standard, and Yahoo. This is my media coverage, TV coverage, and newspaper coverage. I covered on all these platforms. If I can do it, you can also do it. No. I don't want to say this word as everybody says. If I can do it, you can also do it, only if you are passionate and committed towards this work. Okay, so hard work, passion, and dedication are very, very important in this field if you want to succeed. Right? So this is my learning software. You can see it here. Left side is ThinkFic. Okay, so which has 198123 people on this learning management, and right side is Teachable. Left side is ThinkFic and right side is Teachable. I have 44,870 students who are currently learning in my management software. So put together, like maybe 240+ people already learning in my learning management software. Okay, so you're in a safe hand, right? And before proceeding to the next slide, I just want to ask you one question, or else I'll conduct a poll now. Okay, here is your first poll. Okay, so I'm going to give you a first poll. So how many of you from this webinar are my free course student or DBA student or attending for the first time? If you are a free course student, select the option free course student. If you are my DBA student, DBA is nothing but digital marketing, blogging, and affiliate marketing course. I have a paid course called DBA. If you are from DBA course student, please choose option DBA. And if you are a first time attendee, please select first time attendee. Okay, we'll see how many people are there in this house. Okay, so right. So we have many people who is commenting me DBA. Thank you so much, guys who are trusting me. Okay, sir, DBA course is awesome. Thank you so much. Vinay, sir, DBA is wonderful and live classes are extraordinary. Thank you so much. So many people are from this webinar are DBA students. Thank you so much. And I could see many free people as well. So it will run for next 10 to 20 seconds. Please poll it, guys. So once it's done, we'll close this. Okay. So your time starts now. So just go ahead and poll your answers, because this survey gives me a boost to train more and more on a particular segment, like from where I'm getting more students and all, so that you can also see. And it's not like only I get the results, I'll show you the results right in front of you. Out of 100, how many people are there? Okay, so I'm closing this poll, guys. So thank you for your answers. Right now I'm going to close this. Done. So I'm sharing the results with you. You can see 60%. Okay, out of 100, 60% of people are DBA students. Thank you so much for believing in me and trusting in me. I hope you'll get so much success in your life. Thank you so much for attending. And you can see 20% of the people are free students. Awesome, 20% of the people are free students, and 20% of the newbies. Guys, newbies who are just attending my webinar for the first time ever, thank you so much for attending this. Right, we'll proceed with the next slide. So who can learn this course? Very important question, right? Sir, can I learn this course? Can I learn this course? Can I learn this course? I'll tell you, anyone with any education background, you might be in any field with any education background, you can learn this course. Business owners, if you want to grow your business using digital marketing, you can opt for this course. Job holders, if you're already doing any other job, like maybe call center, maybe IT, maybe developer, whatever it might be, you can shift and you can do this, right? And self-employed people, if you're already a self-employed, earning through freelancing or whatever the source it might be, so you can also choose this. Okay, and students, very very important, students also choose this. Okay, and housewives, anyone with basic computer knowledge can choose this. Okay, anyone who wants to earn money can choose this. Okay, so now before proceeding to what is digital marketing, I want to give you a bonus because you trusted me. Okay, you trusted me, so that is the reason. If you're not a part of my free course, so I am dropping a link of my free course in the chat box. Check it. Okay, and save it. After that, after this webinar, you can sign up. Got it? So this is my first bonus to you. Okay, if you stay till the end of this webinar, I'm going to give you 14 other bonuses as well. Right, so please stay till the end of this webinar. And first reason, I gave you the free course in the chat box. Link is there already in the chat box. Please copy it. And second, I'm going to give you 14 more bonuses, okay, by the end of this webinar. Okay, and third thing, if you opt for DBA course. Okay, and third thing, I'm going to tell you exact step, like how you can earn 1 lakh rupees per month. Okay, so many people are asking me in the chat box, like, what is DBA? What is DBA? So guys, do not worry about DBA. You just leave the DBA aside, because I'm here to give you a pure value on how you can earn 1 lakh rupees per month. I'm going to reveal top 3 secrets where you can earn 1 lakh rupees per month. If you concentrate any one of those, you will be successful. Okay, so please stay till the end of this webinar. Do not skip in between. Okay, do not leave. Right? And what is digital marketing? Basically, many of you know it. Any business, you take any business, okay, using digital channels to promote their business. Digital channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Google, whatever it might be. Using these channels to promote, including Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon Prime, whatever it might be. Using these channels and growing their revenue is called digital marketing. Any business using digital channels to grow their business is called digital marketing. Got it? Next thing, I'll tell you average cost of digital marketing. So if you go out, okay, and search in the Google, okay, and find out like what is the average cost of digital marketing. So it will cost you 45,000 average. So many top brands, like they'll charge 1 lakh and above to learn digital marketing, because on the top 5 most demanded courses right now in India, the top is digital marketing. Okay, because digital marketing has a huge scope. Trust me, if you are in this field, your entire life will be changed. Okay, so next thing, investments and returns. I just want to explain this investment and returns. So if you invest on advertisements, okay, why big brands will advertise? Like if you go on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you will find ads. If you're watching TV, you will find ads. If you're watching cricket, sports, you will find ads. Ads, because they'll only think if you put 1 rupee, at least they'll take 3 rupees back. They'll take 3 rupees back. Okay, so that is a power of investment. So investments may be at any kind of. So if you're worried about investing, you cannot invest. Okay, so then you cannot achieve huge results in your life. This is what I mean to say. Investment may be in terms of anything, including time. Your time is also investment. Okay. So can we run one small poll before proceeding to the next slide? I just want to see like how many of you from this webinar can invest money to earn money. How much money you can invest. Okay. So there are three options: 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20,000, above 20,000. Okay, so the small figures only I'm saying, because not more than 50,000, 1 lakh or also. So I'm just giving you a small figure: 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 plus. So please poll your answers. So poll is right in front of you. Okay, please answer it. So next 10 seconds I'll wait and we'll proceed with the next slide. Okay, so right, so I could see many people are commenting between 10 to 20,000, and even 5 to 10,000 is also high. So let's close this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. So guys, I just want to close it because I don't want to waste much of time. So that is the reason I'm closing this poll on an immediate basis. Okay. So right now I'm closing this. Yes, I closed it, and you can see the results. Okay. It's like maybe 40% of the people said 5 to 10,000, 40% of the people said 10,000 to 20,000, 20% rich guys na in this webinar. You guys are rich, right? So 20% of the people said more than 20,000, right? I just want to know you, like, what is your capacity to invest on anything to earn money. Okay, so two things: to earn, you need to learn; to earn, you need to invest. These two things are very, very, very important in your life. Trust me. Okay, so my secrets formulas to earn money. So let's begin it. Okay, my secret formulas to earn money, very, very important, right? So here you see my secret formula. One is blogging. Yes, but if you can take the ratio out of 100, I only concentrate 10% on blogging, but rest 90% on two other things. I'll show you to you. Okay, so you can see average earnings on a blogging. Okay, so you might have seen this ad, okay, in the YouTube, right? So here you see $100 to $10,000 per month is what on average a blogger is earning right now in India. This is not I'm saying, this is a screenshot from the Google. If you can go out and type the same thing in the Google, you will find the same answer. Okay, and secret formula 2 is freelancing. I'm going to explain in depth. Okay, I'm going to explain in depth. Okay, so secret formula 2 is freelancing. Okay, you can see average money we can earn from freelancing according to Google, again 20 lakh per annum. Not a small thing, right? Very huge. You can see what is affiliate marketing. The secret formula 3, favorite topic of mine. Okay, favorite topic of mine. Okay, what is affiliate marketing? You can see customer, affiliate, merchant. What is this? I didn't get this diagram. I'll tell you. For example, let's say you take any product. Okay, any business. If you want to promote any particular product or business or service, and if someone purchase from your reference, you will get commission. This is nothing but affiliate marketing. For example, let's say I have a paid course called DBA, right? So if you are promoting my DBA course and someone purchased my DBA course, I'll give you commission. This is nothing but affiliate marketing. The top benefits are you don't need to have an office, you don't need to have a product, or you don't need to worry about building your business. Already everything is done. You have to pick the product and promote and getting commissions and get commissions out of it. Okay, it's very simple, and 90% of the people follow affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'll tell you how you can do affiliate marketing. What is the simplest way to earn money through affiliate marketing? Simplest, when you do hard work. Remember, caution. Okay, and how you can earn money through freelancing, how you can earn money through blogging, right? So let's begin. Before that, I just want to explain two things. So here you can see the average money earnings from affiliate marketing is like anywhere in between $300 to $3,000 a day. Huge, right? Affiliate marketing is booming. Okay, so before that, I have something for you, not exclusive, only for you. Okay, so which is called PCT. Yes, I call it as personal community training. So I am going to travel with you. Okay, so till you made your first income. And caution, please note it down: without doing hard work, without your committing, without passion, you cannot earn money. So you need to put your hard work, you need to put your passion in, then you can earn. It's not like simply one day game. चलो रात में करोड़पति बन गया, ये सब इधर वर्कआउट नहीं होता है. So you have to think that this is not a one day game or one night game. You have to work hard, you have to be passionate. But if you are committed, if you are passionate, if you are dedicated for next 180 days, you can earn minimum 1 lakh rupees per month. Minimum. The maximum is like sky is the limit. Okay, so please type I'm ready in the chat box if you are dedicated, committed, and if you do hard work in this course. Please type I'm ready in the chat box if you do hard work only. If not, don't type. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Chandras, I'm ready. Harshavardhan, I'm ready. Ishwar, I'm ready. Alfred James, I'm ready. Bhavna, I'm ready. Dasri, I'm ready. Awesome. Thank you so much for your response. It means a lot to me. It gives me a boost to train you more. When I see such comments, it gives me a more boost so that I can train you more. Right? So, it is simple. What is PCT? PCT is nothing but personal community training. Awesome. Right? So, can we go into a practical session now? It's very amazing, right? So, practical sessions is very, very important. So, I'm going to explain you how you can earn money through affiliate marketing, freelancing, and blogging. Right? Let's begin. Here you see top 3 secrets of where I'm earning money. It is nothing but affiliate marketing, freelancing, and blogging. Right? So I'm going to explain this to you. First thing, earning money by promoting a product. Okay? Selling our services and earning money. Work from your comfort zone. You can work from office, you can work from home, you can work anywhere you feel comfort, and you can work there and you can earn money through freelancing. And writing blogs and earning money. One more thing I want to tell you, it's like job. If you want to do job, then this course is more than enough for you because you will learn everything practically. Okay, so you got it right. So how you need to proceed with this and what are the 3 secrets: affiliate marketing, freelancing, blogging, job, etc. Right? I'm very excited. I'm going to show you how you can make money through affiliate marketing. Let's jump in. Awesome. So here you see, just hold on, I'll decrease my size. Awesome. Right. So yeah. So now I'm going to show you affiliate marketing, how people are making money through affiliate marketing. Very, very interesting, right? So let's begin. And guys, yes, we have an exclusive Q&A session. So you're typing in the chat box, I know it. So many people are there in the chat box right now. So do not worry, we will have some exclusive Q&A and each and every doubt will be solved. Okay? So do not worry on that. So first thing, I want to ask you something like, on what do you want to see affiliate marketing, on what sector, like maybe technology, health, digital marketing? Please let me know in the chat box. I am going to pick the top one and I'm going to tell you how you can make money through that. Right? Let's begin. Awesome. Technology, digital marketing, health, books, movie reviews, car reviews. Okay, love and relationship. Okay, digital marketing, technology, mobiles, laptops. Fine, I'm going to pick top 2 things. Okay, top 2 things. One is technology. Okay, and I'm going to pick another one is laptops and mobiles. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how you can make money through it. Okay. Laptops under 50,000. Okay, let's go for this. Laptops under 50,000. Now you see here you can find Flipkart gadgets.ndtv. We'll go to gadgets.ndtv. Next is digit.in. Okay, next 91mobiles.com. Okay, so when I search for laptops under 50,000, I got these things, and I'll also open few of the videos as well. So here you see top 5 laptops under 50,000. I'll open Geekman. Okay, so now I'll tell you how these guys are making money. Okay, but before that, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing commission, Amazon. Here you see 4%. Okay, on electronics they're going to pay 4%. Okay, Amazon affiliate program. Here you see the percentage. You got it right. So kitchens, now we are in the segment of promoting laptops and mobiles, right? So we are looking for how people are earning through laptops and mobiles, okay, on this category, technology category. Okay, if you choose technology category, in the same way you have to promote this. Okay, so here you see computers, computer electronics, they are going to pay 5%. Okay, large appliances, movies, books, offline apparels, mobile accessories. Okay, here you see on computers we can see, okay, they are going to pay 5% fixed advertisement rates. Okay, so these are the 5% they are going to pay us. So you leave this aside. Okay, first you close this. This might change all the time. Okay, depends on the Amazon structure, company structure. Okay, so close this. Now you see gadgets.360, how these guys are making money. Okay, but before that we'll see what is the traffic for this particular website. We'll also have Ubersuggest. Okay, traffic is nothing but the amount of people visiting to their site. Okay, very important. So we will check how many people are coming to their site. Example 1 I'll show you because I don't want to waste your time. Here you see you can also go with India here. So you can see the amount of traffic. Oh my god, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 6 crore people visiting gadgets.ndtv.com. Oh, huge, right? Okay, estimated visits 8.9 for the Samsung mobile prices list in 2021. Okay, it's huge. Okay, so we will take very low. Okay, we'll take very low example. Okay, so here you see they have Dell Inspiration 5570 specifications, Asus VivoBook, HP, okay, and Via and Lenovo, etc. Okay, so we'll first open this Asus VivoBook. Okay, we clicked on it. Here you see buy on Amazon. Okay, if you click on this, here you see the affiliate. Okay, so they are promoting this thing. Okay, this is the affiliate ID. They are promoting this product through their website. Okay, for example, let's say on an average 10 lakh people are visiting their sites. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 lakh people, out of which at least 10%, okay, people will visit to Amazon site. At least 10%. Okay, so in this you can see at least 1% people purchase the product. At least 1% people out of 10 lakh traffic. Okay, at least 1% people. You know it, right? Because they have written an article. First thing, they have chosen a product on laptops, top laptops under 50,000, and they have selected few products and they wrote the article and they are on the first page of Google. Okay, sir, is it very easy that we can also write article on top laptops under 50,000 and we can rank on first page and we can earn this much of money? I'll tell you, SEO will take time. Okay, at least 6 months to 1 year, depends on the competition. So that is the reason I asked you right in the beginning, give me a 180 days, you will achieve more results. Okay, this is completely organic way. So you have to do SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization, one of the module on digital marketing. To rank on the Google, we have to follow this metrics. So I'm going to explain that metrics in the course as well, right? So now you can see at least 1,000 people purchase, and the laptop cost is 40,000 on an average. Let's take, okay, it's like 49,000. So he made this much of amount, out of which he got 5% commission, right? I have shown you 5%. Ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Absolutely, he is making 20 lakh rupees on a monthly basis on one particular keyword, gadgets.ndtv. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to explain few more things. Like here you see best laptops under 50,000. This is the keyword. First you need to search for this keyword, best laptops under 30,000. Okay, 74,000 search volume. Okay, so out of 74,000 we will recalculate this. Okay, so that is the entire amount of traffic. Okay, like 6 crores, out of which we just take 10 lakh rupee, 10 lakh people who purchased, like who visited their product and purchased. We calculated on overall traffic. Now we'll calculate traffic for exact keyword, 74,000. Okay, so out of 74,000, for example, let's say here you see Lenovo iPad Slim full specs. Okay, these are the full specifications. Here you see hot deals, buy now. Just hold on, you will see an amazing thing. So they are redirected to Dell website and they are promoting this. Okay, so we'll just go back and we'll see buy on Amazon. Got it right? Buy on Amazon. They are all promoting products through affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is one of the best things happened, okay, in the world, because if you promote product, they are giving commissions. You don't have a headache of having any product or service. You can just pick and promote it, right? So here you see again they are promoting this. So we'll sell you a small math. Out of 74,000, let's say they got a traffic of 10,000. Okay, very less, 10,000. Okay, so from 10,000 at least 1% people purchased. According to the keyword I'm saying, 100 people into 40,000 you can take on an average. They are making this much, and out of which they got a commission of 5%. Okay, so here you see 2 lakh rupees still they are making according to that particular keyword. So you have to pick a product, you have to promote it. Huge, right? If you found this 2 lakhs is also a huge amount, please type huge in the chat box. Awesome. Great. I could see many yes in the chat box, but this is a basic version. Okay, I'm going to explain one more thing, one more example, so that it could be very clear for you. Okay, so one more example is nothing but digital marketing. You said right, email marketing affiliate programs. You can search for email marketing affiliate programs as well. Okay, so here you see 44 best affiliate marketing email programs. Okay, if you want to promote in digital marketing side, so these are the things: HubSpot, Aweber, Sendinblue, ConvertKit, Lead Pages. For example, let's say we'll take GetResponse affiliate. Okay, this is on email marketing software. So here you see where is Uber Suggest. We'll remove this. I'm removing all these things. Even same with 91 mobiles, they'll definitely, here you see they are redirected to Amazon. Okay, everyone here you see in the video. Okay, here you see under the description you will find affiliate link again. So they are making commissions out of it, guys. They are making commissions out of it. Okay, if they are unboxing something, if they are showing some product to you, that is nothing but affiliate marketing. Okay, so you got it right. Wherever you see, okay, in YouTube, Google, wherever you see, if they are saying link in the description, click on the link. That is an affiliate link, and they are making commissions out of it once you purchase the product. Okay, so it's a game. So if I promote a nice product to you, ultimately you will be happy because you purchased a nice product, and ultimately I'll be happy because I got a commission, and ultimately the company will also be happy because I referred a nice customer. So three-way benefited, right? So three people are benefited here. Okay, so that is the reason affiliate marketing is booming right now, and this is not scam, this is nothing like that, and this is also not a network marketing. Okay, you can see Amazon is also preferring affiliate marketing. 81% of the big brands in India are doing affiliate marketing. Got it? We'll go to Uber Suggest once again. You can promote in India, US, anywhere you want. Okay, here you see affiliate marketing, email marketing. Okay, I'll search for this keyword and I'll show you how many people are searching for this keyword in entire world. Here you see email marketing is 18,000. I'm going to explain how you need to search volume. Email marketing software, it's very relevant to us, right? So for example, let's say we'll take email marketing software, not email marketing, maybe email marketing course, they'll also search for that. Okay, we'll take the exact keyword called email marketing software. How many people are searching? 2,900 people. Okay, here you see they're paying 100 rupees for every sale you referred. $100, like 7,500 rupees. Okay, for example, let's say for this keyword, if you're ranking on the top, okay, out of which, for example, let's say you got 900 people visiting to your site. Okay, people who are interested in taking email marketing software, 900 people are visiting to your site. Okay, out of which, let's take 10% people converted. Okay, not more than that. Okay, 10% people interested in your product. Okay, and out of which only 9 sales you got, 1%. Okay, so it's like 10% out of 90, you got 9 people purchased. Okay, 9 people. So 900 people visited, out of which 10% are interested, that is 90, out of which 9 people purchased. Okay, so 9 into 7,500, how much you're making? $100 per sale, 67,500 rupees. Is this a small amount? No, right? Okay, because you're promoting this and you're making a regular income of 67,500 rupees on a monthly basis. Huge, right? So why I'm not showing crores and lakhs? Because I just want to show you the small amount as well. So people are running behind the high amounts. Okay, so 10 lakhs, where I'll get 10 lakhs, where I'll get 20 lakhs, where I'll get 30 lakhs. If you are worrying about that, you'll never make money. So always choose the small products like 67,500. Like that, you promote 10 products, you are making 6 lakhs rupees here also, right? Rather than going with the big products, big commissions, you can also make using this. Okay, so I'll tell you a small math. Okay, so if you're concentrating on all the things at once, you are never going to make money. Always choose one and make money. Okay, example, I always keep saying the same example. I'll tell you once again. If you're running in a forest and if you want to catch rabbit and there are 3 rabbits in front of you, if you are trying to catch all the 3 rabbits, you will never get a single rabbit. So always focus on one and catch that. Okay, so this is my step to you, and trust me, if you're really passionate, really interested, and if you're ready to do hard work, I am telling you, I'm going to make you successful. Yes, you are going to make 1 lakh rupees per month if you only have these things. It's not like you entered into my DBA family and you're not working hard, you're not committed, then I cannot show you some results. Okay, so make sure you work hard. Okay, so this is all about affiliate marketing, but in this webinar, I'm going to tell you the advanced level of affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the advanced level of affiliate marketing. Okay, so right, so here I'll tell you the advanced level of affiliate marketing season 2. Okay, so first select the product. Okay, from that promote the product. Promote in the sense it might be 2 ways: paid ads, organic. Okay, I don't believe in organic. So here you see in paid ads, first thing what you need to have is, for example, let's say you are promoting software. Okay, email marketing software. Okay, for example, let's say very, very important. Email marketing is your software. Okay, now how much money you are making on this email marketing? 7,000 rupees. Absolutely, you're making, right? Now, what is the advanced level here? I'm going to explain a very interesting topic here. For example, let's say you are advertising with 1,000 rupees, okay, and 100 people visited your site, okay, and out of which, just hold on, out of which 10 people converted. Okay, so how much you are making? 10 into 7,500, 75,000 rupees is what you are making, but you're spending 1,000 rupees on ads. Okay, so the simple step what you need to have is, I'll tell you. So I'll put enter here. Now I'll tell you how to do that. First, you need to have a landing page, which is generally called opt-in page. Okay, where you will design a landing page on exclusively email marketing. Okay, don't send them directly to the affiliate page. Okay, in between you need to have a page, right? So you will design an opt-in page where you will mention about email marketing. So hi, welcome to email marketing. Yes, I know you are looking for email marketing software, but before that, let me explain how email marketing works. Explain about email marketing in the video and ask them if you really want to learn more lessons about email marketing, okay, along with the product. Just please drop your credentials below. Okay, like they'll enter their name and details, because you're not only providing them email marketing software like best email marketing software, along with that you're providing training on email marketing, how to do that. Okay, this is an additional bonus. So that is the reason people will definitely purchase through your link, because you're giving a bonus. Okay, once they sign up, you're giving bonus. Okay, email marketing tutorials. Okay, you're giving bonus on this, right? In this bonus, you're making few things. Like if you purchase a product on email marketing, like if you want to purchase email marketing software, not only that, I'm going to train you on how the product works. Okay, nobody is giving, right? But you are giving it. So that is the reason they will visit your page. They'll see the first how email marketing works. They'll sign up, and from the sign up page, you will give a bonus like email marketing tutorial. From that, you will give a link which is called squeeze page. Okay, which is called bridge page. Okay, bridge page between opt-in page and as well as affiliate page. There is a bridge page. Okay, in that bridge page, you will be having this offer. I'm going to explain about email marketing tutorial. Okay, once you register for this software, so obviously they'll purchase the product, and as well as you will give some training tutorials on that. So that is the reason they are getting two benefits. One, they are getting software, and as well as they are getting training. This just an example. You can add any bonus to it. Okay, if they want to purchase through your link, you need to give some more bonuses from your side. Okay, so, and very important, you are building list. Okay, in future you can promote any product to them without advertising, because you're building list, you're collecting the data, then you're sending them to an affiliate page by giving bonus in between. Awesome, right? So this is nothing but funnel marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing using funnel. Got it, right? So there are two ways. Either you can promote through organic way by writing blogs and getting traffic and promoting, and next thing, you are using paid advertisements and making profits by designing funnels. Okay, so funnels are 3 steps. I'm going to explain. Opt-in page, bridge page, plus bonus. You have to give you a bonus, and affiliate page. Okay, so this is kind of funnel what you have. You got it, right? I hope you enjoyed this, right? So this is all about affiliate marketing. So there are more in-depth things on it. So hope you enjoyed this. So if you really liked the affiliate explanation of mine, so please type amazing in the chat box. Meanwhile, I'll have some water. Awesome. Thank you so much. So it's simple. So to purchase from your product, I mean through your link, you need to have some more bonuses addition to it. You have to give it. Okay, so then they'll internally they'll boost up and they'll purchase the product from your links, because you're giving few more addition bonus to it, because when they're purchasing from your site. It's very simple technique, and most of the digital, like most of the affiliate marketers are not doing it. Funnel marketing is like killing. Okay, so this is the entire structure of affiliate marketing. Okay, I'll fold this note. Okay, now when it comes to freelancing, a very, very important, right? A highest topic. So I'll tell you, if you're good at anything, okay, it might be anything. If you're good at something, if you want to sell something, and if you want to make money, okay, so freelancing is the best option. But what if you do not have anything, or like you do not have any interest on any particular skill, you're not having any skills or something like that? Then I have a something called digital marketing. Okay, so I'll tell you how you can make money through freelancing without investing single rupee in this webinar itself. Awesome, right? At least you can make 1.5 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees per month. Oh my god, mind blowing. I'm going to show you. Do not worry about it. Okay, let's begin the show. Okay, here you see Google. So very, very important. How you can make money? The first thing I'll tell you. You know, right? We have almost many small business owners in our town itself. Okay, if you're living in any particular city or any state or any village, whatever it might be, so you have many small businesses, right? So how many small businesses? Like many. Sir, what are these small businesses? I'll tell you. Carpenters near me, carpenter shop near me, hardware shop near me, clothes showroom near me, kirana store near me, many bike service repair shop near me, aluminum shop near me, cement shop near me, whatever it might be. You will be having many shops. Okay, have you ever observed that they have a website or not? So you all know, if you also want to earn money, website is a key. If you do not have a website, nothing will work out. Website is a key. Not even a single 0.% also, so without having website, can I proceed? No. If you already have a website, well and good. Sorry, if you do not have a website, definitely you have to take one. Okay, I'm going to explain all the process, like how you can make money. Do not worry. But you know, right, in a digital world, if they want to come into digital side after lockdown, many people observe this, right? So if you want to come on the digital side, then okay, they need to have a website. Okay, website is nothing but a online shop. They have a physical shop, right? They'll open their shutter, they'll work from there. That is nothing but their physical presence. But when it comes to online, they also need to have a shop which is called website. In website, they can showcase their entire products, entire services, whatever they have, they can put on entire website. Okay, and in the board, they do have a boards, right? In the board, they can clearly mention visit our website. It gives them additional trust factor in the audience. Okay, where for example, let's say they have a client and they have seen their board with visit their website. They think, alright, this is a big one. Okay, and in the visiting cards also they can print their websites. But sir, why are you saying all this to us? I'll tell you. So first step, what you need to do, everybody, just go to Google and type bike service near me. Okay, not only bike. After completion of bike, type carpenter services near me. After that, aluminum shops near me. After that, interior designers near me. After that, many small services, car wash near me, whatever it might be, laundry services near me. So type everything. So I'm going to explain one simple example here. Without investing 0 rupees, I'm going to explain this. Okay, so here you see, go to Google My Business. These are very, very important. Click on View All. Okay, here you see Janata Garage. This is not our client because you already have a website. No, now this is not our client. So click on Bike Zone World Class Bike Service. They don't have a website, but they have a phone number. In the same way, Khudush Bike Service, temporarily closed, not an issue. We don't need this. Here you see Baba Bike Services and Pairing Center. They don't have a website. If they have a website, here you can clearly see they have a website. Now what you need to do? Simply set, be cool, and take this number and call them. I'm calling from so and so company. You have to decide a company name. It's a small amount. If you can purchase a domain, it will be costing you 500 to 600 rupees or 700 rupees. Finalize a domain name. I'm calling from so and so company. You design a company website, okay? But how, sir? I'm going to explain in my course like how you can design the website from scratch without having zero knowledge, okay? Using 2 amazing plugins, you can design a website. You can design website to anybody, okay? But not big sites like e-commerce or something like that, like have coming to a site, purchasing, delivery, etc, etc. We do not build that. We can showcase simply their services, menu card, and all these things, okay? Now I'm going to explain. In the course, I already told you, you will get to know how to design websites without having zero knowledge, without having any knowledge. With zero knowledge, you can build a website using 2 strong plugins. I'm going to explain that, okay? So here you see, another thing is like Baba Bike Service and Repair Center, okay? You call them, sir, I'm calling from so and so company, that you do not have a website. Can I come and meet you so that I can explain you how website is important? Some people might say no, some people might say yes. If they say yes, go and tell them, okay, or else close in the call itself, okay? Sir, we design a website so that customers can book services, okay, like bike service near your area through your website itself. Because after lockdown, you might have seen that there is huge impact on digital side. Many businesses are coming digital. If they don't listen, explain about Janta Garage. See, sir, Janta Garage also have a website, but Baba Bike Service do not have a website. That is where you're lagging. You need to grow up, okay? And if they say okay, tell them, sir, it will cost you 5,000 rupees, okay? So you take 5,000 rupees, at least minimum to banta hai 5,000 rupees, or else take 3,000 rupees, okay? Now, your target is very simple. Call 100 clients on a daily basis, out of which 10% people are interested to take your services, out of which only 2 people purchase. Let's take one people, at least one people will purchase, right? So let's take, you have taken 5,000 rupees from him. 5,000 rupees is what you're making. Do you really want to change your life? Again, I'm asking. If yes, then this you have to do for next like 30 days or 60 days whenever you make some money, okay? Sir, is it a regular process? No. If you're like, I'll tell you, if you're good at doing this, and if you've done this, if you made some money through this, you can hire one employee. He'll do it. The telecaller will do it. They'll make money, okay? So let's say you are doing one sale on a daily basis for 30 days. 1,50,000 is what you're making. Hire 2 telecallers. Ask them to call. You make sales. Slowly you're growing your business, right? It's all about having passion to make money. If you are passionate about, you can make money like this without investing 0 rupees, okay? For 1 month, do calls, like 100 calls a day, 3,000 calls a day. Your life will be completely changed when you got sales, okay? Sometimes after calling 100 clients also, you'll not get single sale. After 200 calls also, you'll not get single sale. But if you call 300 clients, you might get 3 sales at the same time. So never give up. Today is worse, tomorrow is even worse, but day after tomorrow is sunshine, okay? So work hard. If you don't have a sales pitch, in my course, I do have a sales pitch on how to call clients, what to say, what bonus you need to explain. Everything is clearly mentioned in my course. Got it? So do not worry on that. So hope you'll make 1,50,000 after ending this mega webinar, right? So this is a clear example. Now, there is one more method to it. So what is that one more method? I'm going to explain that one more method to it, okay? So it's very simple. I'll open my Google Ads dashboard. So many of you want to see like what is the amount I spend on the advertisements, right? So I'll tell you the amounts I spent on the advertisements. You can check it. So DBA News NK ad, it's like I spent 7,000 rupees on this, okay? So put together I spend Mega webinar, I spent 10,000 rupees a day. Okay, 10,000 rupees is what I spent. And I have few ads running like free and mini. I'll spend 7,000 rupees, but I'm going to explain like how much till I spent. All time you can see 3.93 million, almost 40 lakh rupees is what I spent from February 23 to March 23. Within less than 1 year I spent 40 lakhs. You can see 3.93 million, 40 lakhs only on Google, okay, and Facebook and many other sources. I have Hotstar, so I've spent more than that, 40 lakhs exclusively only from Google Ads within span of less than 1 year. Do you think this is huge? Please type huge in the chat box. And also I make more money to it. Okay, I'm going to explain. So anyway, we have landed here, right? So I'm going to explain you. 40 lakhs is what I spent. So I'll tell you the returns as well. What is the amount I made? Okay, all payments. Here you see the amount I paid is like 1 crore 62 lakhs. Okay, 1 crore 62 lakhs. What is the amount I spent? 40 lakhs. 1 crore 62 lakhs. Okay, yes, there is no much profits, break even, but you can see the amount 1 crore 62 lakhs is what I made till now from last 9 months. Okay, huge. Do you think this is huge? So continuously type huge in the chat box. I just want to get motivated by your messages. So 1,62,000, and this is the amount I made. Okay, so but I have explained affiliate marketing, but I have didn't showed my affiliate income. So how many of you want to know my affiliate income? Please type me in the chat box. Awesome. Lakshmi, me. Akhila, me. Awesome. Go ahead. Samir, me. Awesome. I'm going to show you. So if I can do it, you can do it if you are passionate and committed. Okay, so again I'm saying it, okay, because I'm a sales guy. I don't know anything. I don't know nothing about digital marketing. Now I'm earning lakhs and lakhs, crores in. Okay, so I've earned 2 crores in less than 1 year, and I'm making more than 10 lakh rupees per month on a every month basis. Okay, this is my impact account. Why it is not working? Okay, upcoming. So what is the upcoming amount? I have 7,88,000 rupees. This is my amount which I'm making it. So I'll tell you from it's better I'll show you from July. From July 1st we started, March 31st. You see last 9 months what is the amount I made. So it will come slowly, so just hold on. Can you see this? 30 lakhs is what I made through affiliate marketing. 30 lakhs through affiliate marketing. So great, right? Huge, right? Please type huge in the chat box again. Thank you so much. Please don't get irritated because I'm asking so many times. Type huge in the chat box. It gives me a boost. That's it. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So this is about the ad spend, the amount I made through affiliate marketing and all the things. Now I'm going to explain the second way to earn money through freelancing. Okay, go to Keyword Planner, discover new keywords, digital marketing services, get results. I don't follow this freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Okay, I don't believe in that. So I'll have my own freelancing way to do. Okay, because in freelancing site you have many competition. Fiverr you have many competition. Here you are the solo and you are making your own business. Okay, so that is the reason my entire way of teaching freelancing is different. Okay, so here you see digital marketing services on entire pan India. 12,000 people are searching. Okay, here you see. Can you see this? 12,000 people. Okay, 12,000 people are searching for this. Okay, and the cost is, top of page bid is 97,000 rupees. For example, let's say you have 5,000 with you. Okay, you have 5,000 with you and you are advertising on this keyword. Okay, digital marketing services, because you want to take digital marketing services. Okay, as a freelancer you want to work for some companies and you want to make it. but this is all possible after you learn digital marketing, after you learn practically, after you all implement. So that is the reason I asked you, next 180 days give it to me, I'll make it possible. Okay, with your hard work. Without your hard work, I cannot make it possible. Okay, always I'm saying a disclaimer. Okay, so digital marketing services. So you have 5,000 with you on advertisement budget. So 97 rupees is the keyword. You can see it, 97,000 rupees is the top bit. Okay, 97,000 rupees, 97 rupees, sorry, you have to invest on one click. Okay, so you got 51 people visited your website. These are direct leads because they want digital marketing services. So that is the reason they are coming to Google and they are searching for this particular keyword. So 51 people out of 10% converted. Okay, let's say. So you got 5 projects and you have to charge minimum 10,000 rupees because these are hot leads, potential leads and coming from Google. And you made 51,000 rupees absolutely straight away for digital marketing services. And you invested 5,000 and you got 51,000. This is a game of investment and returns. This is what I play. Invest some money and take some money back. Okay, so this is all about freelancing. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so affiliate marketing, freelancing, core concepts I have covered on my paid course called DBA. Okay, so after you complete this mega webinar, okay, so I want you to implement this and I want you to be successful. Okay, awesome, right? So the last thing I'm going to explain, which is called blogging. Okay, I'll for example I'll search for how to decrease weight. Okay, how to decrease belly fat. First, I'll go to effective ways. So I'll always, okay, accept. Healthline, okay, they have wrote an article on this how to decrease belly fat. It's still loading. I'll show you what is blogging and all. So in short, I'll tell you what is blogging. Okay, choose one particular niche. Niche is very important. Niche is nothing but what category you are selecting. In that category, you have to write articles on your website. You have to take one website, you have to write articles. For example, let's say research about, let's say you want to write about health and weight loss products. So research about keywords on weight loss, like how to decrease belly fat, how to decrease kids weight, how to decrease women's weight. Okay, so whatever it might be, you have to research about few particular keywords and you have to start writing articles. So when you start writing articles, when you do SEO, you will be ranking on the top page, right? So the amount of people will visit your website, right? Because they have searched for this keyword. Okay, what is this keyword? How to decrease belly fat. Okay, if you're ranking on anywhere in between here, so definitely they'll visit your site. That means here you see these are all advertisements, but it is still not loading. In the right side you can see the advertisements. So which is nothing but, I'll tell you, for example, let's say the few people, like out of 1 lakh people searching on any particular topic, let's say 5,000 people visited your website. Okay, for that 5,000 people, Google will advertise in your website. Okay, which is called display advertisements. Google display ads, you might be heard about it. Okay, Google display ads. So Google will visit in your website, like they'll place ads in your website and they will pay you because you are getting 5,000 traffic on a monthly basis. Okay, so Google will pay you. This is nothing but blogging. Okay, you have to apply for AdSense. Here you see HostGator. You got the advertisements, right? HostGator. Here you see Creative Cloud. Okay, but it is related to Healthline, but I have seen HostGator advertisement, nowhere related. But HostGator is related to me because I'm a digital marketer. I want hosting and domain. So that is the reason I have seen my HostGator ad. Got it? So when you have the traffic, so I'll tell you a small math. Okay, I'll explain here itself directly. Okay, in blogging, choose niche. Okay, select keywords. Start writing 2 articles per week. Start writing for at least next 6 months to see results. Okay, so there is some disturbance. Someone is doing some repair on my above floor. Okay, so you're seeing some disturbance. Okay, start writing for at least next 6 months and to see results. Okay, this is how you need to do it. And after that you have to apply for AdSense, Google AdSense. It's a very simple process. If you type Google AdSense, you will get it. Okay, start making money. Okay, so these three are the top 3 secrets where I'm successful on and I'm making money through it. Okay, and last thing, job. If you want to do a job, if you're learning this course with so much dedication and so much practical work, obviously you will get the job without any doubt. And placement training will also be provided in the course. Okay, so many of my students got placed as well. You can go to YouTube and search for Hello Viru. You will find one-to-one interviews with the student who got placed after completing of my course. Okay, so I'm going to explain later all these things. Okay, till now it is clear, right? Please type clear in the chat box if you're clear about these top 3 secrets. Please type clear in the chat box. Awesome. Sunny clear, Fire clear, Ishwar clear. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now I'm going to explain few things for you. So I'm going to explain about PP. So the next thing, we'll proceed with the next segment. A very important segment. Next 20 minutes is very, very important. Okay. After that, I'm going to explain few things again about the bonus and all. So here you see importance of a website for a digital marketer. Importance of website for a digital marketer. If you do not have a website, it's nothing. Okay, it's nothing. I'll tell you. So you know how Aadhaar card is important for us, especially you live in India. In the same way, to live in digital marketing world, website is that important. No question asked. Okay. Later you can ask me, sir, website is really important. I'll definitely say yes. Okay, website is that important. But what about themes? So you have a website, hosting and domain you have. To have a website, you need to have hosting and domain. You need to purchase hosting, you need to purchase domain. Domain is somewhere around between 600 to 700 rupees for 1 year. Hosting is somewhere around between 1200 to 2000 rupees for 1 year. You can purchase 3 months also. For 3 months, it will cost you 600 rupees plus taxes. And for domain, it will cost you 600 to 700. So put together, it's like below 3000 only. Okay, put together. If you go for any other sources, below 3000, you'll get all the things like hosting and domain. But what if you do not have a theme? Theme is very important, right? To build a website, themes are very, very important. Okay, because we are not developers and we cannot code. Okay, we are not developers, we cannot code, we don't know anything. But if you are any one of you are the developers, well and good. Okay, you can build website using these 2 themes. Okay, Elementor and GeneratePress theme. This is very, very important. I'm going to explain this to you. Just give me a moment. So yeah, so here you see GeneratePress theme. See, hosting, domain, anyone can purchase, but GeneratePress and Elementor is also very, very important. You need to purchase it. Here you see the GeneratePress theme is okay, $59. Okay, $59. Okay, like if you can see $59 in rupees, actually it is $49 only. Recently they have increased the price. Okay, it's like 4,300 rupees if you want to purchase GeneratePress theme, because without theme you cannot write the articles, you cannot build a beautiful blog, you cannot build SEO optimized. Here you see the futures, search engine optimized, because we have to do SEO, right, to get the traffic, and it is less than 10 KB. To load the website, which is less than 10 KB, you can load the website like within fraction of seconds, right? So less than 10 KB and top tier speed, secure and stable. You need to get this, but it will cost you 4,300. The minimum investments to start your journey. The minimum investments to start your journey. Okay, because you're starting a business now. It's not about making changes in your life. It's like starting a business. You're doing affiliate marketing, freelancing, and you're making money without going. Because going to the office regularly 9 to 6 will bore you. Okay, if you're really passionate, if you're really happy with your job, yes, then you can. But if you're not satisfied, if you want to make some passive income, make career towards this, then this is the right option for you. Okay, and Elementor. Okay, this is very, very important again. Okay, because to design website, it's all about drag and drop. You can see, so if you are writing here, it will show it here. You can increase the font size, you can decrease the font size, you can drag the contact form here. It's all about drag and drop. There is no need of coding. It's all about drag and drop. Very, very important, right? And now here you see, this will cost you again. Very important again, these two if you have, you can build any website, you can take any website through freelancing and you can make money. So investment is all about these two, $49. Okay, now here you see $49 in rupees. This is all for 1 year. It will cost you 3584. 3584 plus 4317. 3584 plus 4317. It will cost you 7,900 rupees. Absolutely. 7,900 rupees if you want to purchase this and if you want to make a career out of this. Okay, so very, very important. Hosting a domain, anyway you will be having it, because domain it will cost you 600 to 700 and hosting it will cost you not more than 2,000 rupees. Less than 3,000 only you will get hosting and domain. Okay, so you got it right. Now I'm going to explain a few other things to you, right? So this is our mission. Okay, so this is our complete mission. Our mission is to earn 1 lakh rupees per month, every student. Okay, our mission is to earn every student 1 lakh rupees per month. Are you with me? Yes or no? I just want to know your answer. Please let me know in the chat box. Awesome. Phillips, yes. Prija, yes. Jenny, yes. Thank you so much for giving great response. Yes guys, exclusively we'll have a Q&A. Exclusively we'll have a Q&A session at the end. Okay, do not worry on that. So let's see the recent student earnings. Okay, because very, very important, right? So how my students are making money through this, very, very important. His name is Dinesh and he earned $340. $340 in the sense 28,000 rupees. Okay, 28,000 rupees with this course. And yesterday Harika made 1,999 commissions. Why I shown this 2,000 commission also? Because every small earnings will bring a huge change in our life. Okay, so that is the reason whatever the amount she or he made through the course, I'm mentioning it. The first commission, this is a first sale. Many sales have happened. Okay, and Akshat 2,000, Vamshi 2,000, Dhriti 2,000. Here you see the biggest amounts. Okay, his name is Arpan Das. Okay, this is a video which is there in my YouTube channel, Hello Viru, HELLOVWRU. You can find DBA success stories. Arpan Das, he earned more than 20 lakhs. Okay, this is a interview which I have taken when he earned 85,000, but now he earned 20 lakh rupees with the course. Mind blowing, right? So type mind blowing in the chat box if I really blown your mind. Okay, because 20 lakhs is huge amount. And I have an interview on the YouTube channel as well. So Arpan Das, thank you so much. Okay, so here you see Anvesh got placed in his first interview. Okay, he got his placed in the first interview itself after learning this course, because many of you also want to learn this course, right? So that is the reason. Okay, and here you see Sudeshna, DBA student, earned 47,000 rupees in just 60 days. This is just beginning of their career. She earned 60,000 rupees. These are all my DBA students. Okay, and Arun, DBA course, earned 34,000 rupees with freelancing. And here you see Sauvik earned 70,000 rupees with freelancing. He's a DBA student. And here you see Dhriti earned 2 sales in less than 30 days. These are all DBA success stories. You can find it on my YouTube channel, Hello Viru. Okay, and if you're ready and if you're committed and dedicated towards earning money, okay, I've shown you case studies. I've shown you how to make money through affiliate marketing, freelancing, blogging. If you're ready and if you're committed and dedicated towards earning money, okay, it's not like simply one day mein ho jayega. No, if you're really dedicated, committed, and if you are passionate. Why I'm keep on saying this? Because you have seen the success stories of few of my students, right? There are many more success stories. Even 10th class student Aman earned 54,000. He's just in 10th class. earn 54,000 rupees. Already one-to-one interview I've taken, that is uploaded in my YouTube channel. Okay, many more case studies are there. Okay, full videos are available on my DBA course. Okay, so I am with you. I'm on a mission. Yes, if you are dedicated and if you are committed towards this course, I am on a mission, and yes, I am with you. Okay, because if you do not have an interest, chalo, I'll take this course and I'll learn this and I'll make few lakhs. Yes, you will make it, but without hard work and commitment, you cannot. Okay, and that every student of my PCT should earn at least 1 lakh rupees per month. This is my core goal. Okay, so are you ready to join my digital journey? Because I call it as a digital journey. Please type DJ in the chat box. Awesome, right? DJ. Please type DJ in the chat box. Awesome. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, Shiral. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mitlesh. Thank you so much for chatting. Thank you so much. So I have something for you to present in front of you. DBA Mastery, life-changing all-in-one course. This is not book, this is course. We have designed the cover of a book, of a course like this. DBA Mastery. DBA is nothing but digital marketing, complete digital marketing, basics to advanced, blogging and affiliate marketing. Additionally, we have added freelancing. Okay, so digital marketing basics to advanced you will learn, blogging mastery you will learn, freelancing complete thing, affiliate marketing. This is what it is covered on DBA course. Okay, so do you want me to show the price of DBA course? How many of you are interested to purchase DBA Mastery course? Please type me in the chat box. If you're interested to get DBA Mastery course, please type me in the chat box. Awesome. Thank you. So here you see the price of DBA Mastery courses, 9,999 rupees plus GST. Okay, so you can see the price variation, 9999 INR plus 18% GST, 1799.82. So total amount you need to pay to opt for this DBA Mastery course. Okay, it's like 11,798.82. But if you stay till the end of this webinar, I have a huge surprise for you. Okay, so don't leave it, because I have a huge surprise for you on the price and as well as on the bonus as well. Definitely you will like it. Okay, so yes, huge surprise for you. Here you see how you will earn your first earnings. Very, very important, right? Steps to get 9999 back to you. So hosting affiliate, I'll tell you. So to steps to get your money back. Okay, so first thing, if you invested, it might be anything. It might be hosting affiliate, it might be freelancing, anything. So I'm going to explain this. Okay, so money back. Okay, so freelancing, either you take 2 projects and you can get your money back, 2 web designing projects or 1 digital marketing service project, you will get your money back. I'll train you how to do that completely, including sales pitch, sheet, case studies, sales pitch, bonus sheet. I'm going to give you a case sheet as well, case sheet, like how to present, how to talk, everything in the freelancing. Okay, like how to pick, what are the calls, even we are going to help you with the leads as well. Okay, so everything we are going to give you on the freelancing. Leads in the sense organic leads, the topics, subtopics, what you need to search on. Okay, or else there is one more thing, DBA affiliate. So through affiliate marketing also you can earn within a month. These are all within a month if you are dedicated, not too long. Okay, because the course price is 10,000. If you promote this DBA course to somebody, okay, to anyone, to your friends, family, circle, whatever it might be. So if you do 4 sales, your money will be back. I'm going to pay you 5,000 rupees straight away if you made 4 sales. Okay, if you made 4 sales, I'm going to pay you 5,000 back to you. Okay, so this is all about getting money back once you invested. Okay, so why I said only 4? Okay, I'll tell you. So to get 10,000 back, we need to sell at least 8 to 9 sales of DBA, right? But why only 4? I'll tell you how you will get your money back. Okay, straight away. Right? So this is how you need to get your money back when you invested double and double in. Because when you invest something, if you got that return back, you will feel more happy and more joy, right? So you could see many success stories how my people earn money through it. They are all one-to-one success stories. They are all videos. Okay, it's not a screenshot, something like that. If you visit my YouTube channel, you will find plenty of the students who earn money 20, 30, 40, 50. Recently also they earned. I'll show you a recently earned income as well. So facebook.com/groups, you haven't seen this. So this is our VIP group. Okay, if you go to announcements, the recent announcements you can see, Karan Karna, I earned 50k till now. Okay, and I'm able to get long-term maintenance and restaurant future projects for the same client. Thank you, Virender Chaudhary sir. Hope you shared more successful projects in the future. Okay, here you see the how you got my client as well. Got it? So many case studies, you will find many case studies like how they earn money through it. But the only thing is like, I need your hard work and passion and dedication towards it, right? So the next thing, digital journey with video. Will you join my digital journey? Before that, I'm seeing many chats like how to purchase or how to purchase. Wait, I'll tell you how to purchase with a bonus as well, a huge bonus. Okay, so stay till the end of this webinar. So you will find a link to purchase in the chat box. The offer will pop up in the chat box. If you're watching on the mobile, just go to the chat box, you'll find the offer. If you're watching in the PC, you will find offer in the chat box. Okay, so first you will get your hosting and domain. Very, very, very important. If you already have a hosting and domain, then there is no need of purchasing it. I told you, right? Website is one of the key factors to get money. So first you will get hosting and domain. Next you will go to DBA series 1. So I have divided my DBA course into 5 series. Series 1 will be the basics. Series 2 will be the ads. Series 3 will be the affiliate. Series 4 will be freelancing. Series 5 will be blogging. Okay. DBA series 1, series 2, series 3, series 4, series 5. Okay. You have to first complete series 1, next series 2, next series 3, next series 4, next series 5. So this is how you will see in your dashboard. So first thing, classes will be completely online. So pre-recorded videos you can watch anytime with lifetime access. Okay. Yes, the course comes with a lifetime access and every week live classes. You got it, right? So classes will be completely online. Got it? Now you see, for doubts, we have a discussion forum. Very, very important. We all have a discussion forum. When you post your doubt, my team will solve that. Okay, we have VIP groups. Just now I've shown you, right? Facebook VIP group we have, family group we have. Okay, so VIP groups we have where you can post your doubts. You can connect with my old students. Also, you can post your doubts on the particular topics and you can solve your doubts. I'll show you the groups once again. So family group, this is our family group. Here you see there are many people who we have right now. When you go to topics, here you see in the particular topics you will post it. Okay, team alpha support, beta support, gamma support, gaming, health, fitness. These are all niches where you have, where you need to pick and where you can ask your support. Okay, DBA support forum only for new people. If you are new, you can post your doubts in the DBA support forum. If you can see expertise, we have many people here. Art and crafts, we have 2 people. Business analyst, cloud computing, content writers, we have 11 people. For example, let's say these are all content writers. Okay, here you see these are all content writers. Members, you see there are many members with us. If you can go to about, this is recently built family group. We have 16,032 exclusive paid members in this family group. Okay, where you can post your doubts as well. So there are many more things where you can solve your doubts, and separate DBA community we have, and every Friday live class with Team HelloViru. Live class, yes, every Friday 3 o'clock or 11 o'clock you will be having a live class with Team HelloViru. Awesome, right? And dedicated email support. Yes, it's a dedicated email support. That email will be shared exclusively only with DBA students, and every week live classes. Every week Saturday live class exclusively with me. Every Saturday. Okay. So it might be at 11 or it might be at 3 o'clock. Okay. Every Saturday live class with me. Every Friday live class with my team to solve all your doubts. Okay. And this is your surprise now. So course fees is 9999, right? So but I want to give you some discount, especially for webinar people. Especially for webinar people. Use coupon code DBA family. Yes, please note down the coupon DBA family, because I will consider you as my family member, digital family member. So that is the reason I welcome you to my DBA family. Coupon code DBA family. Okay, and get 50% off. And guess what? You will get it for only 4999 plus GST only. Okay. This coupon code only valid for this webinar. After that, you will see a straight price of 9999. Yes, because I want to give you some action takers. I want to give you some coupon code, discount coupon code for the action takers, because you've spent with me almost 2 hours of time, and you are with me, you trusted me, you listened to this my webinar. So that is the reason I'm making it. After that, it's complete 9999. Okay, I'm giving away 14-in-1 bonuses for 4999. This course, the only course that can change, it's not that can change your lifestyle completely. Okay, 14 bonuses I'm giving in only 4999. 14 bonuses. Are you ready to see the bonus? Type bonus 1 in the chat box. You will be amazed for that bonus. Okay, awesome. I could see many bonuses. So where could I purchase? Himanika. Definitely in next 1 minute you will find the link in the chat box. Okay, in next 1 minute. Okay, so awesome. I'm going to reveal the bonus 1. Awesome, right? Bonus 1, I'm going to give you GeneratePress plus Elementor. You have seen, right? It will cost you 7,400 rupees, but for the first year I'm going to give you completely free without taking any charge. Okay, so that means you're getting this course completely free, right? And the bonus 1 is GeneratePress theme and Elementor. I'm going to give you completely free. Amazing, right? Yes. So now at this point, I'm going to ask you, like, how many people will purchase my course? Type your names in the chat box. Right now you have to purchase. You have to type your names in the chat box. My team will note your names. Okay. Awesome. I could see many names here. Mohammed, Cheryl, Samir, Rushabh, Nida, Fatima, Himanika, Philip, Prija, Jenny, Sunny, Harsha, Akila, Bhavana, Dasari, Praveen, Pratik, Shanti, Nehar, Esther. Thank you so much, guys. So many people are typing their names. Awesome. And because you trusted me, so that is the reason you're giving my name. So I'm going to type a message for you as well. Okay, yes, the offer is popped right in front of you. Please click on that link and purchase. Do not forget to use coupon code DBA family. I'm going to show it to you now. Right, so you will land on this particular page when you click on the link. So here you will have an option called pay now. Okay, here you need to enter the coupon code. Okay, here you need to give email, phone number. Okay, and once you enter this name, email and phone number, there will be one more column called GST. Okay, GST number, because we are charging GST, right? So we are going to give you a bill. If you have a GST number, please type your GST number. If you do not have a GST number, please leave that column empty. Okay, and purchase it. Okay, so this is where you have to find it. And yeah, so I'll go back to the PPT again. Okay, and go ahead and purchase it. So I'm going to explain few more bonuses again. Do not worry, just go and grab it. I'll give you all the bonuses. Okay, and if you purchase, please let me know your names in the chat box. Okay, very important. Okay, so fine, I'm going to make this webinar so special for you, definitely, with giving all the bonuses again. Okay, so next thing, so coupon code error. Okay, so do one thing, guys. If you're getting payment error or coupon code error, I'm dropping a Razorpay link in the chat box. Please take it. Okay, so we'll have a Q&A. Do not worry. Razorpay link I have dropped in the chat box, and the offer is popped up. Okay, so you are ignoring my messages. No, I'm not ignoring your messages. You could see many messages are flooding in the chat box. So already I have called my team, they are in the chat only. Okay, so you type any questions in the chat box, they are going to reply you, and even I am going to reply you. If I missed your question, definitely my team going to reply you. So there is already offer popped up in the chat box, right? So if you want to see our team replies or my team replies, just minimize the product offer and you can see the messages. Okay, so minimize the offer and you can see the messages. My team is replying to you. Okay, and if you want to purchase, click on that product. Okay, maximize the product and purchase it. So I'll also drop a Razorpay link, which is already a discounted link. There is no coupon code required. You can purchase it directly. So either purchase from Instamojo, you can purchase from Razorpay. Okay, 2 links. Awesome. Okay, and thank you. Oh my god, I got a first sale, Monica. Sir, I purchased. Thank you, Monica. Welcome on board. And guys, please enter your WhatsApp phone numbers. Okay, my team will contact you via WhatsApp after paying. Okay, so in WhatsApp they'll contact you and they'll explain you about the process, what all you need to do. But after, and one more important point, after purchasing, there is a separate induction class for only DBA students. You have to watch it. Okay, DBA induction class. If you missed that, don't worry, my team will give you the link where you need to watch the induction class as well. Okay, it will be roughly 20 to 25 minutes. That's it, the complete process. And thank you, Monica. Thank you so much for trusting me and having a payment. Before seeing any bonuses, you are my true student. Thank you. And here is a bonus to digital marketing complete course, which is worth 20,000. I'm making it completely free. And bonus 3 Facebook ads course, which is worth 1,999. I'm giving away completely free. And bonus 4 Google ads worth 1,999 completely free. Okay, sir, please show me bonus 2. Definitely. So here is your bonus 2 digital marketing course. Do not worry, if you missed out also, you will get all the bonuses once you purchased it. Okay, so the bonus worth is more high compared to the course. Generate Press and Elementor Pro bonus 1 is very important, 7,400 worth. I'm giving away completely free. Okay, and bonus to digital marketing course. Sir, his hosting and domain is included. No, so that is the reason hosting and domain is not included, because it's your own private property where you need to have. So hosting and domain will cost you nowhere less than 3,000 rupees. If you're taking it on a 3 months basis, it will cost you only 1,200 rupees. Okay, do not worry on that, because that is a minimum requirement what you need to have. Got it? And bonus 3 Facebook ads, bonus 4 Google ads course, bonus 5 Instagram ads course 1,999. Okay, bonus 6 VIP group access, which is priceless. I'm going to give it to you, family group and the Facebook group. And these are all bonuses are clubbed together and made it on DBA Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, Series 4, Series 5. We have included a bonus under series. Okay, do not get confused. And bonus 7 keyword research video, how to do keyword. And bonus 8 blogging course worth 999 completely free. Bonus 9 affiliate marketing course. Bonus 10 sales page. Bonus 11 first inning secrets revealed. Bonus 12 digital marketing tools mastery. Bonus 13 live classes worth priceless 25,000. Every Saturday live class I'm coming live to explain all the things for you. Value. Okay, so bonus 14 personal community training. Okay, these are all bonuses you will get once you opt for DBA Mastery course. Yes, the bonus will get once you purchase. Anushka Tomar, thank you so much. Welcome on board, Anushka Tomar. You purchased, I paid. Thank you so much, Anushka Tomar. Welcome on board. Welcome to the DBA family. I wish you all the best and huge success for you. Okay, so exclusive webinar offer, you will get it for only 4,999 plus GST. The bonus and the offer is only for action takers. Okay, and let me know how many of you are in the process of paying. Awesome. Manjana Reddy, Harshita, Shashank, Kishore, Alvin, you are all in the payment process. Awesome. Do it. So, but do you want more bonus from my side? Because I am here to give you more bonus. Do you want more bonus? Type more bonus in the chat box, which is not at all included, but I am going to give you. Awesome. Perfect. Bonus 15 every Wednesday live chat, but we have we are now conducting it on Thursday. Every Wednesday live chat VIP pass access. You need to have access to enter into every Thursday live class. So every Thursday live chat event with my students and with me and my teammates. Okay, you'll be having every Thursday live chat event. Awesome, right? This VIP access I am going to give you absolutely free if you are going to purchase right now. After that, you cannot expect these bonuses, and after that you cannot expect these prices as well. Up to 14 bonuses, and 9999 is the course price after this webinar, and you will not get this bonus 15s. And bonus 16, 400 plus hand-picked affiliate products. You need to pick the affiliate products to promote, right? Without wasting time, we picked 400 plus affiliate products where you can select and promote it. This Excel sheet will cost you 10,000. I'm going to give you absolutely free, okay, when you purchase right now, okay? And bonus 17, paid webinars, exclusive videos. You know how important this webinar. If you feel that this webinar is worth valued, okay, then I have a course called Paid Webinars Exclusive Course, where I conducted all paid webinars, and I'm going to give it to you completely free. That course worth is 10,000 rupees, and I'm going to absolutely free, right? So it's questions time to ask questions, right? So right, few questions I'm going to answer, few questions my team going to answer, so everything you will get a reply. Please check your chat box correctly, right? It's questions time. Please shoot your questions, and I'm going to read it all the time. So please give me 2 hours of time, guys. I'll tell you one thing. So I cannot give you 2 hours of time, because this offer is very limited, because I am giving you more bonuses, Elementor and GeneratePress theme. So I want to give it to the action takers. So that is the reason, okay? So Google Pay or Phone Pay, yes, you can purchase it through Google Pay or Phone Pay, anything. So you can click on it and you can select anything. So can I pay through EMIs? EMI is not possible, okay? If you have a credit card and if you have limit on it, yes, you can try it for only few limited cards only. You can try on that, okay? But EMI on debit card is not at all possible. So validity, I already said validity of the course is lifetime access, okay? So you do not worry about that. So validity of the course is lifetime, and you can work on it, okay? So Nikita Gupta, can I watch through mobile? Yes, you can watch the course through mobile, but to practice you need to have a PC, okay? Vinod, you are not saying my name. I purchased. Oh, I'm sorry, Vinod. Thank you so much for purchasing. Welcome on board, Vinod, and I seriously welcome you to my DBA family. Thank you so much. Process after purchase, it's very simple. My team will contact you on WhatsApp, and you need to give your WhatsApp number on the payment, and they'll contact you via WhatsApp, and they'll explain you about the process, how it works, okay? Abhinav, I purchased. Thank you so much, Abhinav. It means a lot to me. Welcome on board, and welcome to the DBA family. Thank you so much, okay? And how many DBA students are there? Please let other people know how the course is all about, and how the course is, and how you felt about the course review or anything, so that they can have more energy and boost to get into our DBA family. Awesome. Madhu, sir, your course is awesome. DBA course, especially the live classes. Thank you so much, Madhu. Rituraj, live classes and the DBA course are awesome, and I earned 20k. Thank you so much, Rituraj. You can see many chats in the chat box. Like DBA course is really awesome, especially the live classes. Okay. Please guys, you can ask any questions. I have no idea. Who's this? Kanchan. I have no idea on digital marketing. Can I start this course from scratch? Yes, without having any knowledge, that's okay. You can start the course from scratch, because my course starts from a basic, okay? Without having any knowledge also you can learn, okay? And if you're from any other background also, you can come to this and you can purchase it. And remember, the clock is ticking. Once the clock is turned off in the chat box, then the offer will be expired. So take action before it expires, okay? Vijay Bhadoria, I purchased. Thank you so much, Vijay. Welcome on board. It means a lot to me, and welcome to the DBA family. Thank you so much, okay? Aishwarya, I purchased. Thank you. I could see many purchase. If I missed any purchased, please excuse me. Even my team will also welcome you. Welcome on board, Aishwarya. It means a lot to me, and welcome to the DBA family, okay? So is there any age limit to purchase the course? There is no age limit to purchase the course, okay? There is no age limit to purchase the course. At any age you can purchase the course. As I said, 10th class MN student earn 54,000, my DBA student, and even 55 years guys is also have 55 years people all also in my DBA course. So do not worry about, there is no age limit, okay? So I'm reading all your questions, so that is the reason. So it is going very fast. So Gauri Pratap, can I join the course? English is not good. English is not it's not very important. If you are really passionate, if you really think about it, if you are really passionate and dedicated towards it, and definitely yes, you can opt for this course. Okay, even I don't know English much. Slowly I learned. You will also learn it. Do not worry about the English. Uday, can I shift from another field to digital marketing? 200% yes, you can shift from another field to digital marketing. Okay. How to join DBA VIP groups? Do not worry. After purchasing, my team will take care everything. How to join and all the things. And Krishna, can I do DBA affiliate sales? Yes, of course you can purchase DBA affiliate. And let me know, Krishna, have you purchased? And how will I attend live classes? Every Saturday there will be a live classes. Do not worry about it. My team will send you an email. So please watch emails carefully on Thursday, Friday and Saturdays. And also they'll post about live classes on the VIP groups as well. Okay. Krishna, yes sir, I purchased. Welcome on board, Krishna. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Okay. Welcome to the DBA family. Okay. I don't know about web designing. Are there classes available in the course? Madhu, yes. Web designing classes are already available in the course. Do not worry. Okay. You will learn from scratch. Okay. So I'll tell you one thing, WordPress designing, website designing is a big ocean. I'll tell you all the concepts, but if you're worried about getting any other points, there is more videos on YouTube, more videos on Google, where you can go and search for the particular topic and you can learn from it, because WordPress is a big ocean. Okay, so it's a very big course. Okay, you got it right. So, and self-learning is the key. I believe in self-learning. Even I'll say my DBA students that self-learning is one of the key to earn money. Okay. When you learn self, you will be remembered forever. Okay. And Harika, if I miss any live classes, will you provide recorded classes? 100% yes, we are going to provide recorded classes. 200%. It's not 100%, 200% we are going to provide. How soon will you contact me? I purchased Nilesh. Nilesh, welcome on board. Welcome to the DBA family. I could see many people are purchasing. Thank you so much. Nilesh, yes, my team will contact you right after this webinar. Please follow the mail instructions. Okay, so in the mail we have mentioned the contact number of WhatsApp as well. You can message us on the WhatsApp too. Even we will also message. Okay, so do not worry about it. You will be replied. You will be contacted soon. Okay, and what is the difference between free and DBA course? Vishwas. So I'll tell you, free is all about basic concepts of digital marketing. Not about affiliate marketing, freelancing and blogging, but DBA course is all about affiliate marketing, freelancing and blogging. It's all about how to make money, how to get job and all these things. Free digital marketing course is the basics of digital marketing. Hope you got it. Okay. So Pandian, I'm not computer savvy, but good at article writing. Is this DBA worth for me? 100% worth for you if you're really good at writing. Okay. It's 100% worth. Okay. How many hours I spent on a daily basis? Vinod, you have to spend at least 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis to have some good knowledge on digital marketing. But you do not have a time on a daily basis. You can spend an entire weekend on digital marketing, like DBA Mastery course. Okay, so at least 2 to 3 hours, it's perfectly fine. And I don't think so you don't have 2 minutes of time on a daily basis, right? So is SEO covered? SEO is already covered in the DBA Mastery course. SEO is one of the key topics. So what is SEO, Mahesh? SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. It is one of the course module under digital marketing. I'm going to cover it in the course. Okay, do not worry. Sumit Kurana, sir, I purchased. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me, Sumit. It really means a lot to me, and welcome on board. And sir, payment failed. Akhil Sadhanandan. Don't worry. Do not worry, Akhil. Akhil, right? Yeah, do not worry, Akhil. So please try the Razorpay link. So I'm dropping the Razorpay link in the chat box. So please check it. You can try this Razorpay link. Okay. So do not worry on that. Sir, coupon code not wallet. Coupon code is DBA family. DBA family. Okay. Use the coupon code DBA family. Or else you can use the Razorpay link. Without coupon code, you can purchase it. Okay. Do not worry on that. Sir, can I pay within 12 tonight? Within 12 tonight is too long. Okay. So Mahesh Chagam, hi sir, I purchased. Thank you so much, Mahesh. It means a lot to me. Welcome to the DBA family. Ashwini, Esther also purchased. Thank you so much, Ashwini and Esther. It means a lot to me. Welcome to the DBA family. Okay, so Supriya, sir, let me decide to buy. Awesome. You can decide and you can purchase the. And sir, I want to ask my parents. Can I purchase after 1 hour? 1 hour is too long. You can ask your parents and you can purchase it. Okay. So can I watch through mobile? I already answered this. Can I practice on mobile or tab? I already explained tab or laptop is good, but I always prefer 100% laptop. It's better. Okay. Paramjit, sir, all classes are recorded or live. I'll tell you, as I already mentioned, the classes will be recorded and plus live. So all the classes will be recorded, and every Saturday there is a live class, every Friday there is a live class. So it's a combination of recorded plus live classes. Okay. So is there any coding in this course? There is no coding involved in this course. I'm a housewife. Can I do this course? Harika. Yes, you can do this, Harika. If you are a housewife also, you can do this course. Absolutely. Okay. Do not worry on that. Okay. And I'm saving many other questions as well. Is it compulsory to watch all the classes in the given pattern only, Chandrika? I'll tell you, Chandrika, it's very simple. So previously we used to give, when somebody purchased, like used to give free course plus advanced course plus DBA live classes in the combination. Later, after all taking surveys, after all improvements, after all making changes in DBA course, we decided the series wise: series 1, series 2, series 3, series 4, series 5. If you can follow that same pattern, you will be more successful. That's it. Okay, so we have decided and designed in a way that we have reduced all the efforts. We are going cut through straight point, like this is how you need to do, this is how you need to make money. Okay, if you follow the structure wise, it will be more benefit. Okay. And Chandrika, by the way, sir, I purchased the course. Thank you so much, Chandrika. It means a lot to me, and welcome on board. Welcome to the DBA family. Okay. And when I'm going to access for DBA, immediately you will get an access for DBA. Do not worry. Within less than 24 hours only, you will get the access for DBA course. Do not worry on that. So immediately only. So, but why I said 24 hours? Because maybe in some exceptional cases, like maybe a national holiday or something like that, maybe within less than 24 hours only, you will get the access. Okay. How to set mindset for digital marketing? Excellent question. It's not excellent question, right? So it's like, see, if you are really passionate, if you are really dedicated, okay, like if you really want to change your life, that this is not the life I want, this is not the way I want to live. Okay, somewhat I want to do extraordinary, somewhat I want to help people, somewhat I want to make money, I want to change lifestyle. Then you have to prepare yourself. You have to get ready for next 180 days. This is what I want to do. This is what Viru said to me do, and this is what I have to do, and this is how I can bring my results. So you have to prepare your mindself and to earn money. Okay, without hard work, without commitment, you will not earn. If you're really passionate and dedicated, definitely you're going to earn. Okay. So who's this? Kanchan. Okay. Not Kanchan. Kapil, I cannot buy now, but awesome session. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It really means a lot to me. And if I have a local business, it's went off. If I have a local business, is this DBA course helpful for me? Yes. If you have a local business, this DBA course is also helpful for you, because in a business perspective, yes, you can learn many things on this course and you can implement the same things on your course as well. Okay. Do not worry on that. Okay. And what is the next thing? I'm a housewife. Is this course suitable for me? I already explained this. I'm seeing all the messages. Okay, if I miss live classes, I already explained. Or what is the difference? I have explained. How soon? I have explained. Okay. So if I purchase now and study later, will my course be there? Oh, okay, Srinik, it will be there if you can purchase now. If you want to book the offer, if you want to book the bonus like offer like 50% off, and you can, if you want to start later after your exams, yes, you can do that. You can purchase now and you can access the course later, because the course comes with a lifetime access. Okay, do not worry on that. Okay, and now actually many people are asking, it doesn't seems to be good that they are asking, give me 1 hour of time, 2 hour of time, 3 hours of time, 4 hours of time. Okay, fine, I'll tell you one thing. So if you really want to get access of DBA course, if you really want to get into it, okay, so I'm going to give you few more bonuses. Okay, so I'll tell you what are the few more bonuses, and these bonuses, yes, I'm going to give you the for the people who already purchased it. Okay, but people, I want to give you some more boost to it. Okay, if you purchase my course tonight 12, okay, remember the time, tonight 12, if you purchased it tonight 12, I'm going to give you 3 more bonuses. Along with that, 50% off, same price, 4,999 plus GST, and as well as you'll get all the bonuses. So I'll give you the bonus, top 15 affiliate niches. Okay, so this is the bonus. Okay, top 15 affiliate niches. I already gave this bonus to you, right? Bonus 17, 16. Yeah, these 3 bonuses, 15, 16, 17, I'm going to give you when you pay till tonight 12. Okay, and one more additional bonus which is called top 15 affiliate niches. This is new. So we are already finalized top 15 affiliate niches, and we are going to give you that PNG sheet. Okay, so if you pay tonight 12, so how many of you are ready to pay tonight 12? Please type your names in the chat box. Awesome. I could see many names. So, and seriously, I welcome you to this wonderful community. Okay, so please type your names. Don't type me, please type your names. Preja, I'll definitely play, sir. Thank you so much. Arsha, I'll definitely play. Alfred, I'll play. Bhavna, I'll play. Dasri, I'll play. Muhammad, I'll play. Thank you so much. So I'm sending you the Razorpay link. So here is a Razorpay link. Okay, please take the Razorpay link and purchase it. Okay, here is your Razorpay link. Save it. By end of tonight 12, you have to pay it. Okay, so the course bonus and the coupon code will be validated till tonight 12. Okay, this is a Razorpay link, direct link. You can purchase it straight away. Okay, and thank you guys. I'll see you in your digital journey, and before leaving, let me know. I already extended the offer tonight 12, right? Are you really interested to pay? Do you really pay? Because I extended it, and the people who already purchased, you will be getting top 15 affiliate niches bonus as well. Do not worry. Okay, yes sir, I really want to pay. Alfred, I really want to pay. Arsha, I really want to pay. Fayak, I really want to pay. Akila, I really want to pay. Someone said like you want to ask your parents, right? Now you can ask your parents and you can purchase it, because I gave time till tonight 12. Okay, so thank you guys, I'm leaving, and thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you sir. It was an amazing session. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. The one sentence what you wrote, it was an amazing session. It means a lot to me, because this is what I dreamt of, and this is what I want to give you. This is what I want to give you, a pure value. I want to provide a huge value to you inside my DBA course. And thank you so much. I'm leaving, and people who purchased, I am waiting to see you inside my DBA course. We'll start our first session, the introduction class, right? Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you. I'm leaving.